Hello everyone, today I'm reviewing Aviate Launcher. Aviate is the new kid when it comes to launchers because there have been many more out, but Aviate is a pretty cool looking one. Aviate looks stylish and has many different features. So this is Aviate. Aviate is a pretty cool launcher. It has the main screen, which is home because it's about, well, it's 6:06 right now, so, I'm at home. It's gonna show me this thing. I changed my wallpaper. I put my own icons down here that I wanted because I know I'm always using those apps, so I can quickly launch them. Then, if I scroll over this way, I have all of these different categories it made for me. And actually, they're called collections. It's shown right there. And the ones it automatically generated were work, games, music, news, social, going somewhere, studying, and entertainment. Well, I added entertainment, and you can do that by hitting the settings icon up here and choosing. So they have bar, cooking, entertainment, finance and health, games, going somewhere, grocery shopping, home, morning routine, music, news, nighttime, outdoors, restaurants, settings, shopping, local, studying, traveling, watching sports, and work. But the only collection I had to put on here by myself was entertainment down there. And for the most part, it categorized the apps correctly. Some I had to move in categories or take out because I don't use them. For example, in work, Gmail is in there, but I took out Gmail because I don't use that really. Games, it had all of them correctly. I just moved them around in the order that I wanted them. Wow, I have a lot of games. Music, play music, news. I actually took some out because they were kind of unrelated or I didn't use them. Speaking of not using, boop, and it's removed. Social, I have more. And to see the other ones, hit the little, oops, do we go into that? Hit the arrow here. Going somewhere, it created that. I think it put Ingress in there by default, because I don't think I would have done that. Then I added the camera, studying, and entertainment. And most people are probably saying, where's app drawer? Because as you can see, there's no app drawer icon here, and it's not anywhere here because you don't have to put in all of your apps here. But to get it, you do one more swipe to the right and it has your full app drawer, kind of in an action launcher format, because I can start swiping here because of these little letters on the side. I don't know if they're really coming up on camera, but there are little letters on the side and I can scroll through those and I can see the big letter right there telling me what letter I'm on. So that's pretty good. I've never had to go there, I think, because all of my stuff is right there. So back here, it's also like Action Launcher in a way because you have the little 3 lines right there, and I can swipe or tap there just like I could in Action Launcher, but I prefer swiping, and it shows homework, going somewhere, homework, and nearby and settings. Nearby is actually pretty cool. It'll bring up a place. It'll bring up places that you're nearby, and it will show them to you in these tabs here, and the layout looks so cool. It looks like it used a Google Maps API to drag and put all the information and pictures just where it needed it. So this is home. This changes to nighttime, morning, times like that. And those are the only ones I know of. And right now it's at home. I can scroll over to work and I can see that those are the same apps that I had in my work category. So they're there. They're gonna tell me my calendar, if I can send an email, create a new event. Swipe up and there's my normal layout. I can swipe over here to all of my other apps. But it's just work mode, so I can quickly get to that. Going somewhere, it's gonna have traffic, home, office, maps, ingress, camera, and then again my standard layout. It just knows since I'm going somewhere I can quickly get to that. So this is mostly Aviate. Be aware that this is a beta, and it's a pretty cool beta. I haven't found any problems. Well, actually I can't say that. I did, because I scrolled over to my collections once and the only folder that was showing was studying, and I knew something was wrong with that. But that was only one time and I force closed it and it started working again. And last but not least, you have settings. Settings has its little thing too. It'll show battery percentage, the power save mode, which will basically just turn off Wi-Fi. I don't know if it did mobile data. Settings, it'll show settings in the Play Store. It by default comes with a light theme. I personally don't like it. I like the dark theme, and it makes the status bar look better because you can't hide the status bar. But back to how it always is. It's the same old quick interface, but it'll always tell you which one you're in at the top there. So that's pretty handy. Since Aviate is a beta, I did have invite codes, but I kind of ran out of them, and thing I had on Google Plus. It was on my profile, Christopher Ballinger. So that tells you to always follow me, because I posted it to 2 communities, and of course when you post something on your to a community, even if people in your circles aren't on that community, they'll still get to see it. So make sure you follow me. So please like, comment, rate, subscribe if you like the video, and most of all, thanks for watching.